Hello, I'm Nahida and welcome back to Enoven Foods. Today we are making a delicious dish that's crispy, sticky and sweet. Crispy honey chicken. Perfect as a snack or side and packed with flavor in every bite. Let's begin with marinating the chicken. Take 1 cup of boneless chicken, half teaspoon salt, add half teaspoon pepper powder and 1 teaspoon soya sauce. Crack in 1 egg and mix it all well. Honey chicken is a popular fusion of Chinese and Western flavors. Now add half cup corn flour and coat the chicken nicely. Corn flour creates the signature crispy texture. This dish is a favorite in both takeouts and homemade menus. Fry the pieces in medium heated oil. Don't overcrowd the pan while frying, it keeps the chicken crisp. And cook until they turn slightly golden and crisp. Set them aside while we prepare the sauce. In a small bowl, mix 3 tablespoons honey, 1 tablespoon brown sugar, 1 teaspoon chili flakes, 1 teaspoon soya sauce, and 1 teaspoon oil. Stir well. Heat 1 teaspoon oil and 1 tablespoon butter in a pan. Add 3 cloves of finely chopped garlic and saute for 30 seconds. Use freshly minced garlic for a strong flavor punch. Pour in the sauce mixture and cook for a minute. Now add 3 tablespoons water and 1 teaspoon corn flour mixed in a little water to thicken the sauce. Mix corn flour in cold water to avoid lumps in the sauce. Garlic in the sauce boosts immunity and adds antioxidants. Honey is a natural sweetener with antibacterial properties. Once it bubbles up, add the fried chicken pieces. And 2 teaspoons sesame seeds. Toss everything together until well coated. Homemade versions like this help avoid preservatives found in takeouts. Do you love crispy starters like this? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, follow and subscribe to Enoven Foods for more easy and tasty recipes. Until next time, stay happy, cook fresh and keep sharing the love through food.